Alright, you just have to make sure that you use the right FPGA chip, otherwise you won't be able to program the boards. So I'll quickly fix some in case you're actually just following me blindly or not referring to your lectures. Right, so we need the CMA 5, not the CMA 6. So should be able to find CMA 5 something there. That's it there. That's the CMA 5F316. Okay. Changes the board, compile it. Okay, so that's a compile for us. You can go to program your boards now. So tools, programmer, you select auto detect the 5C CMA 5 because it's closest to the C. Then you use add file, output file, select, and you can delete the CMA file. Select, delete. And program the boards, and it works perfectly well for you. Brilliant. So you can go ahead and test your switches and upload your results.